First of all, a very warm welcome to our first meeting or meetup for Mug. My name is Sumit. Um, Before we start, we'll have a quick poll by just raise of hand on few things. Hey, please. Sit here. Great. We were just about to start. So we'll start with a quick poll of how many folks over here have used a smartphone or a tablet? Used or own? There's a fair bit. Yeah, looks like many of us have used that. How many of us have developed or want to develop applications on these mobile platforms? Fair bit, okay. All right, great. We just wanted to get a mix of the audience here. Looks like it is varied, so hopefully the discussions will be, a lot more richer here. So we'll start with what Mug is. We'll talk about that. What Mug is not. Doesn't stand for. We'll talk about how we work or how we like to work, how we are organized, and then we'll go into the two events that we have planned for today. So starting with Mug, it stands for Mobility User Group. It stands for people who are really passionate about smartphones and tablets and all the related technologies, right? And this passion can be in the form of developing applications or just knowing about features, what these features really mean, what the OS has to provide you. Hackers who want to know the details and nitty-gritties of the platform or devices. Or even users who want to see how these applications are being used in day-to-day life, be it at home or at office or work, right? So it's really about folks who want or who are really passionate about all things mobility. Okay. We'll have experts here or hands-on people really knowledgeable about certain areas of technologies, and then there'll be a section which would want to learn new things. So there'll be wannabes and experts here as well. There'll be a mix of both. And all skill sets or all skill level is welcome. The only thing that we need is really a keen interest to learn and share. Okay? Any questions so far? Good? All right, great. So that's about what Mug stands for. What Mug is not is really, we don't want to tie ourselves to just one particular technology. We'll be talking about or discussing about various technologies, various platforms, various devices. So we don't want to be, sticky with a particular one. So for today, we'll be talking about Android and iOS, and there'll be two tablets that we'll also talk about. Next time we could also talk about Windows Phone 7 or any other emerging technology or platform. The other thing that I would like to stress upon is this is really not the place where we are going to have a monologue and it's like a seminar where we are just preaching stuff. The intention is really to have a community-based learning. We realize that we know certain things but that is limited to our own experience and exposure and domain, right? And we do realize that there's a lot of you have from different background, and you can bring us a very rich experience and share that experience with us as well. So we intend to make this a lot more conversation-based. You have the community-based learning going on. So we just want to kindle that. Okay. How do we? What are we going to do? We'll have two streams of activities going on. The first stream would be on Facebook in form of discussions and posts. I already saw you posted a very nice article. So we want that going on. Anything that you read and you find that it should be shared with which is very interesting, please do that. We can also have follow-up questions. If you have any doubts, any questions about certain aspect of the technology or anything that you're working on, you can post those questions as well, and we'll try to answer as best we can. And when I say we, it's really you, all of us here, not just one person. So this is really, the onus is on us to get the best out of this group. So let's start doing that. So that's one stream. The second stream of activities would be these mug events, like the first one that we are having today. And that will have the structure to that. This again is going to be based on what works really well for all of us, right? So what we were thinking was we would not focus on just technology, but have a good mix of business and technology. Okay. Sometimes we do get just bogged down by a particular technology and just want to look at some features, but we lose focus on why that feature is important, or are there some features which are really good for business or users which are kind of being neglected or not focused on. So we'll have the business angle as well as the technical angle to it, right? And we'll like to have a fair mix of both in each event.
So I have a question.
Yep.
Let's say I want to talk about a platform which is not very popular, like a BlackBerry or a Symbian. How will it be accommodated? Is it based on some poll?
We could do that, or we also would have at the end of each session we'll have like a free-flowing discussion or a networking, if you may call it, kind of thing going on. So there you can have like probably talk to your fellow folks who are passionate about RIM, and if there is a larger interest, we'll definitely bring it up as a proper discussion in the event. So this is going to be a very democratic process. Whatever the group likes, feels like, we would want to get that up in the priority and discussion. Does that answer your question? Okay. All right. So as I said, we are organized in as a Facebook group. I guess most of you would have heard of us from that. Is that true? Yes. Okay. So in case you aren't already plugged in, please do register with the Facebook group so that you get the latest discussions or posts, and also get intimated whenever there is a new event. It will of course be on a monthly basis, right? So please do register, and to make these events more successful, please do share the link as well. Get all your friends and other fellow passionate folks hooked in to this group. All right. Cool.
So are these free to suggest topics for the
Definitely, yeah, definitely. At the end of this event, we'll talk about what we think are some good topics to pick up. But we'll like to hear from all of you what you also would like to hear, and then we can maybe post it on the group chat, and take a poll and decide based on that. So that could be one way of selecting the topics. But definitely we would like to hear what you want to have discussions on. Okay. So these events will be primarily discussions and debates on certain topics that we have chosen. It won't be like a seminar kind of thing. We would want to have maximum participation. So and we would also want or encourage folks like amongst us to come up and present as well. So if there are topics that you think are going to be useful for others, please do come up and let us know, and we would like to get that in the next session or next event. All right. So what are we doing today? To keep the theme going on, what we have done is taken two most popular platforms and taken two most popular tablets on those platforms and having a matchup, a war between the two. That's the business side of presentation. And in the technical side, we are going to have a comparison of app development on both the platforms. Okay. So folks who are, the second section will be technical. So folks who are not so keen on that can go to there's a device table as well where we are showing different tablets. I guess Kindle Fire is probably one of the highlights. So you can look at that and network.